Welcome back to TYUKiTV. In this episode, we are going to talk about the center lane turning lanes. Just right in front of us, you can see center lanes with arrows. So what are these arrows for? These arrows are for turnings. You just have to simply go in the middle, watch out for your arrows, and then just go inside the establishment, just like this one. Go inside your lane and then wait for traffic. Once clear, keep going. Center lanes are usually used for going inside an establishment. It is a special left turn. So for those beginner drivers, if you see center turning lanes, do not hesitate to use it. Go in the middle and then just wait for your turn. If you see arrows pointing towards that direction, towards that establishment, just go in and then wait it out. You have to wait for the gap. Once it's clear, you keep going. That's how you use your center turning lanes. It's easy. For those who are beginner drivers, for those who just passed their drive test, this is going to help you out. Never get scared of center lanes. As long as you have your arrows, you're going to be safe. for today. Hope we were able to help you out. This is your center turning lanes. Make use of it when driving. For beginner drivers, never hesitate to try new things on the road. Just make sure you do it properly. So this is TYUKiTV. Until next time, bye for now.